Welcome to our 4K dashcam showdown. Today we're diving deep into two of the most talked about dashcams on the market, the REDTIGER 4K dashcam and the TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dashcam. Both promise exceptional video quality and advanced features, but which one truly stands out? We'll compare their specifications, performance in various conditions, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to resolution, the REDTIGER F7NP offers a sharp 4K recording for the front camera, but only 1080p for the rear. In contrast, the TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K provides true dual 4K recording for both front and rear cameras. This means that if capturing high-quality footage from both angles is crucial for you, the TERUNSOUl has a significant advantage. The ability to read license plates and capture details in high resolution from both perspectives can be a game-changer in the event of an incident. Night vision performance is another critical factor for dashcams. The REDTIGER F7NP utilizes a STAR-VIS2 sensor, which is known for its exceptional low-light performance, ensuring clear footage even in dark conditions. On the other hand, the TERUNSOUl claims enhanced night vision capabilities, but does not specify the sensor technology used. For those who often drive at night, the STAR-VIS2 sensor may provide a more reliable performance, making the REDTIGER a strong contender in this category. Finally, let's talk about price. The REDTIGER F7NP is priced at $149, making it a more budget-friendly option, especially considering its features. In contrast, the TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K comes in at $183, which is a bit steeper. While the TERUNSOUl offers dual 4K recording, the price difference may not justify the additional cost for every user. If you're looking for a solid dashcam without breaking the bank, the REDTIGER F7NP presents excellent value. In conclusion, both the REDTIGER F7NP and the TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dashcams offer impressive features for vehicle safety. The REDTIGER excels in night vision and affordability, while the TERUNSOUl provides unmatched resolution with its dual 4K capabilities. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize superior night performance or the highest resolution for both front and rear recordings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.